Now we are going to learn practical problem relating to accounting equation approach. Let me see the problem. Apply accounting equation with the help of the following transaction. So we have to apply the equation. Accounting equation equal to assets equal to capital plus liability. Under assets, the normal items are cash, bank, stock, debtor, furniture, capital plus creditor. Once again, students, under assets normally cash, bank, stock, debtor, furniture will come. Under capital remains same. Under liability, creditor, the normal items. Now let me see the problem. Transaction number 1. Mohan started business. Mohan started business. So Mohan invested money in the business. What happened? Cash increases 2 lakh. Capital also increases 2 lakh. Other items we can write it as 0. So Mohan invested money in the business. What happened? Cash level increases, his capital also will exist. Equation, balance it, 2 lakh plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to plus 2 lakh plus 0. Transaction 2. Paid into bank. We deposited money into the bank. So paid into the bank. Paid into bank. We paid into bank. How much we paid into bank? 50,000. What happened? Our cash level decreases. Our bank level, what happened? Increases. So other item we can put 0. Paid into bank. We have to balance it. Balancing equation, plus 1,50,000 plus 50,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 lakh plus 0. Then transaction 3. Goods bought for cash. So we bought goods. What is coming in? Goods are coming in, bought for cash. So goods are coming in, cash are going out. What happened? We can write it as cash purchase. We can write it as cash purchase. We bought goods for how much? 30,000. So our cash level decreases, our stock level increases. So other item we can write it as 0. Equation, balancing equation, plus 1,20,000 plus 50,000 plus 30,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 lakh plus 0. Then transaction 4. Goods bought on credit for rupees 60,000. We bought goods on credit. So we can write it as credit purchase. On credit purchase, goods are coming in, cash not going out. So credit purchase, goods bought on credit, how much? 60,000. Our stock level increases. When we buy goods from others, they are called our creditor. So when we buy goods on credit term, our stock level increases and the creditor level also increases. So other item we can write it as 0. Balancing equation. Plus 1,20,000 plus 50,000 plus 90,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 lakh plus 60,000. Then transaction number 5. Transaction number 5. Withdrew for personal use. Withdrew for Personal use. We drew for personal use how much? 10,000. What happened? Our cash level decreases. Our capital also decreases. We drew for personal use, that is called drawings. Drawing will reduce our cash balance and capital balance. So balancing equation, 1,10,000 plus 50,000 plus 90,000 plus 0 equal to plus 1,90,000 plus 60,000. Next, transaction 6. Transaction 6, salary. Students, listen carefully. Here under assets and other liabilities. Assets under liability, only personal and real accounts are recorded. Personal and real accounts are recorded. Nominal accounts will not be recorded. What we have to do nominal account? Nominal account means expenses, income, losses and gain. If these are given, expense, income, losses and gains are given, it will affect cash and capital. It will not affect other items. Listen carefully. Salary paid, how much? 5,000 rupees. Salary paid 5,000. What happened? Our cash level decreases. Our capital level also decreases. So other item we can write it as what? 0. So nominal items, expenses, income, loss and gain, that will affect cash and capital equation. Plus 1,05,000 plus 50,000 plus 90,000 plus 0 equal to plus 1,85,000 plus 60,000. Then transaction 7. Goods sold for 25,000. So this is called cash sales because no name is given. We can assume as cash sales. What happened on cash sales? What is coming in? What is going out? Cash is coming in. Goods are going out. So cash increases. Stock level decreases. Other item we can make it as now balancing equation, plus 1,30,000 plus 50,000 plus 65,000 plus 0 equal to plus 1,85,000 plus 60,000. We can record one more transaction. Furniture purchased for rupees 10,000. Furniture purchased for rupees 10,000. One more transaction we can record. Transaction 8. Furniture purchased. How much? 10,000. So our cash decreases, furniture value increases. Other item we can make it as 0. Plus 1,20,000 plus 50,000 plus 65,000 plus 0 plus 10,000. What we have to do? Add all assets and capital and liability. We have to add capital and liability. So 185 plus 60, 5, 4, 2,45,000. If we add capital and creditor, we are getting how much? 2,45,000. Okay. Now we are going to add this 120, 50, 170 plus 65 plus 10, 245. So assets total and capital plus creditor total are equal. Now our equation is correct. Students, what is accounting equation approach? Accounting equation expresses the relationship of assets with capital and liability. It says assets equal to capital plus liability. Student, today we completed the simple sum. Tomorrow we'll learn different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.